For our Swedish example, I'm going to use Johann Magnus Samuelsson. We know that he died in Stråbäla in 1872. I'm going to start with the Ancestry screen, so we can search all collections under Ancestry and type in his name, Johann Samuelsson. It's not Johann Anton, that's a different relative. And we know that his death year was 1872 in Stråbäla. And we'll change it to Sweden rather than Ireland because we'll probably find more Swedish records in Sweden. And you can see the very first one is the index death records. And we can go and view that record. Now we have the record and we can download this record, which is great. But also remember that all of the Swedish death records and index records came from the church books. So we might want to go and look at the actual church book and see if there's more information there. So to do that, I like to use Archive Digital. So in Archive Digital, we can start by typing the parish name, Stråbäla. We have to make sure that we use the Swedish letters here. Archive Digital uses the Swedish letters. And then we can scroll through the list of all the records until we find the correct one. And there's lots and lots of records that are available on Archive Digital. Whenever we get to the right record, for some reason Archive Digital always makes us open it makes us open the volume. I'm not really sure why. One of the nice things about Archive Digital is it often has a table of contents, more or less, at the beginning of the records, which helps us to find the page. So the bild means page, döda means dead. So we're just going to search for the right death date. And then we can jump right to that page, right to the page that we need. And we can make it bigger. And there we can find the information. And there seems to be the same information in the church records, maybe just a little bit more, or maybe just the same, but we still have the original church records now, not the secondary record that was written from those records. So we have both the index death record and the church book records.